It's purely genetics in my case. This was my creative legacy left by my late father, Shafiqur Rahman Sahab, who was himself a great veteran voice actor. So ये inheritance है मेरी. I have a very personalized answer to this. For me, having to stand on the same stage, the same grounds as my late father did, and seizing that metaphorical microphone, and I think far more importantly, having to work with the same group of wonderful men and women, that he worked before prior. I call myself a method voice actor. ये मैंने खुद एक term coin किया हुआ है. Because the reason is कि every single time I treat each character, narrative, script according to its own vision. It can be a character, it can be a character of a child, it can be a character of a wife, या जो भी, and even a narrative where you have to sell a product. And secondly, what I do is that I get a script and my mom's talking to me, and I immediately, it sounds crazy, but I immediately subconsciously block out all the noise. I blank out. Tommy's like, hey, Sen, aaj ye karna hai, wo karna hai, and I'm reading the script and I'm spaced out and I'm like, take a moment, pause with Nestle Everyday Chai. And my mom's like, acha hi to gayi. Chaotic, meticulous, sometimes stressful, but punctual. You have to be punctual. So mostly 90% of the time I wake up to projects. यानी मैं उठी हूँ सुबह, I have my phone emails. तो इसलिए आज maybe it can be one script, it can be 5. I treat each workflow according to its urgency. कि किसको पहले क्या काम देना है. And usually ये होता है, you know it. इसलिए ये अभी 10 मिनट में चाहिए, ये रात तक चाहिए. So that's how I manage. I think personally, I feel like when you have given a lot of your heart and soul to a craft, when you've been working for so long, I started when I was 7, so you know exactly what to do with that creative force. Challenges तब आते हैं कि I don't know if many people know कि एक 10 सेकंड के प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर भी बहुत सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. So you have the studio, you have the brand, you have the agency. उन सब की पसंद नापसंद, उनकी creative input, brief and their vision को एक cherry pick कर वो final vocalize or verbalize करना, I think that is I feel like you sort of stumble, and which I think I excel at that now. The very first jingle I did was Nestle Nido, and I am told that I was 7 years old. और वो घर में cassette पे save है. I think it's memorable because that was the first time I sang for TV. Or late Junaid Jamshed Sahab was to be the father of the child, and that was a boy, and that was Meri pyari ammi jaan, mere sare imtihan. That was the original The Kid. And recently I voiced this everyone's favorite Turkish actress Esra Bilgic for her campaign of Malpit, Pakistan. So that wasn't like dubbing. They needed my voice to voice her. सबसे पहले know your niche. Voice, auditory performance, voice artistry एक मकाम नहीं है. You need to know where your voice belongs. Do you want to be a commercial voiceover artist जो इश्तिहार, advertisement में आवाज़ आ रही है? Do you want to be an audiobook narrator? जिसकी mediums online हैं, audiobook कहानियाँ, apps हैं. Do you want to be a corporate voice for the documentaries, IVR? Or essentially, do you want to be an essential voice actor? Bringing the characters to life, चाहे animation हो, dubbing हो. तो पहले ही सवाल करें अपने आप से, फिर उसके बाद आपकी technicalities आती हैं, अपनी speech पे work करना, अपने तलफ़्फ़ुज़ पे, लहजे पे, working on your speech impediments, articulation और phonetics, जो grammar में हम कहते हैं, tone और लहजा, that ये सब चीज़ें बाद में आती हैं. So yeah, I think know where to begin, then branch out. Patience, untiring patience, perseverance, tolerance, and waiting for your turn, yet being a people's person and being grateful and punctual. ये दोनों polar opposites चीज़ें हैं दोनों, लेकिन ये इन्हें साथ लेके चलना होता है. And I think किसी भी craft में अगर आप आना चाहते हैं, किसी भी vocation या skill में, कोई छोटा बड़ा काम नहीं होता. If you start small, it doesn't matter कि छोटा काम मिला है बड़ा काम मिला है, unless it's disrespectful to you. Wait for your turn. Greatness takes time, and do not let people walk over you. लेकिन be diligent, be true to yourself, and be self-aware कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, मेरे में इतनी बर्दाश्त है, या can I work on my skills? So yeah. I think one can only pray and hope that our own country recognizes this vocation. I know we have the Effie Awards, I'm calling out to them. There should be a nomination, there should be some sort of recognition for a voice actor, a voice artist of any sort.